If you're seeing Epic Games error LS-0003 and your install has failed, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can get the Epic Games launcher working again. This error usually shows up when the launcher is having trouble connecting properly, when the cache gets corrupted, or when a game install is interrupted. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without needing to reinstall everything from scratch. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Don't just minimize it or close the window, make sure it is fully shut down. If you're on Windows, you can right-click the Epic Games launcher in the system tray and exit it, or open Task Manager and end the process if needed. A fresh restart often clears temporary issues that can trigger the LS-0003 error. Once the launcher is closed, open it again and try the install one more time. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Epic Games needs a stable connection to verify downloads and complete installs, so if your connection is weak, unstable, or dropping in and out, the installation can fail. Try switching to a more reliable network if possible, restart your router, or disconnect and reconnect to your internet. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn that off temporarily because those can sometimes interfere with Epic Games launcher connections. After checking your internet, the next step is to clear the Epic Games cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for LS-0003 because the launcher stores temporary web data that can become corrupted over time. To do this, close the launcher completely, then open File Explorer and go to the Epic Games launcher cache location. In many cases, you'll find a folder called Webcache. Delete that Webcache folder or any Webcache related folders you see. Don't worry, this does not delete your games or your account. It only removes temporary launcher data, which the launcher will rebuild automatically the next time it opens. After deleting the cache, reopen Epic Games Launcher and sign back in if needed. Now try the install again and see if the error has been resolved. If the game was already partially installed before the error appeared, the next step is to verify the game files. This is especially useful if the download stopped halfway through or if some files were damaged during the install process. In the Epic Games library, find the game that was affected, click the three dots next to it, and look for a verify option if available. Epic will scan the files and repair anything missing or corrupted. Once verification finishes, try launching or installing the game again. In many cases, one of these three steps is enough to fix the LS-0003 install failed error. Restarting the launcher clears temporary glitches, checking your internet rules out connection issues, clearing the web cache removes corrupted data, and verifying game files repairs incomplete installs. If you're still having trouble after that, it may help to run the launcher as an administrator. Make sure Epic Games is allowed through your firewall or antivirus, and confirm that you have enough storage space on the drive where the game is being installed. Those extra checks can sometimes make the difference if the problem is being caused by a permissions issue or a blocked connection. So to quickly recap, first restart the Epic Games launcher, then check your internet connection, then clear the web cache folder, and finally verify the game files if the game was partially installed. That sequence solves the error for a lot of users and is the best place to start. I hope this guide helped you fix Epic Games error LS-0003 install failed. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Epic Games errors in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.